New model eGL electronic guided learning lesson 2014. The new look, if you like. Okay, start off the lesson when people or students are coming in. Watch YouTube vodcasts a couple of times. I've called it the 4 killer or alpha phrases. Use that phrase from the 4 killer apps from Neil Ferguson and his work on civilization, or his book Civilization a few years back. Containing essential information to do with core lesson objectives, essential outline and scaffolding. And students make notes from that. So here, the title, these are the 4 sentences in English, and then they're set out here as to what they are in French in this particular case. So, bring us down there, that's still that. Now, this is the student recording sheet, so the same sheet, but students obviously write their answers in here. Again, that's up to the teacher whether that's seen as a waste of paper, because you can still make notes directly into their exercise books. So at the end of it, peer cross-check and discussion of lesson objectives leading to feedback, okay, as to what they think that the objectives are of today's lesson. And then the second idea is that they then watch a Show Me vodcast, okay, which it goes the other way around. So the first one concentrates on grammar and structure and the key sort of structure used in this particular unit, whereas this one, which is a Show Me one, okay, goes from French into English. So it's really a vocab input video, if you like, okay. It's just gone out of shot a bit there, but there we are, there's that one there. Okay, and following from that, group sharing using A2 boards, mini whiteboards. We had dice games, games of hangman on the A2 whiteboards, swap phrases around and so on. And at the end of that, mini plenary, assessment for learning, no hands up approach, drawing out whether a lolly stick with students' names on it or numbers in a pot, that kind of thing. Then a group, I should have put a really group activity here, of a worksheet, PK plus T. There's a fantastic phrase, prior knowledge plus today's knowledge, if you like. So that's what that is. So prior knowledge, les sports, la musique et le week-end. So working out these 6 phrases here as a group, and then feeding back. Looking at the 5th stage of it, maybe that's a little bit too close to the 4th activity in terms of being similar to it. So maybe a bit of a review there, but that's my game 5 to 7 problems. And then the plenary pass sheet at the end. If a student picks a phrase successfully from this section, they get 3 raffle tickets, 2 from this one and 1 from that one. Okay, so that's just a few thoughts on updating, using the Mac Air to make things look a little bit more modern. Couldn't think of a better word. There we are.